Hi, welcome. My name is Sarah and I am the owner of 445 Designs. Thank you for clicking on my channel. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today's makeover is of this piece, which was previously up in my bedroom. I was using it as a dresser. It's not a dresser, it's a dining buffet. And if you've seen my last video where I made over the dresser and I loved it so much, I kept it. So I brought this piece downstairs and I have given it some love. It was really neglected. The back of it was missing. There were pieces chipped off. The doors didn't even close properly. There was a lot of things needed doing. So I hope you enjoy today's video. I had noticed it for a few days actually and no one was collecting it. And it had been raining, so it's definitely seen better days. So there was a lot of prep I had to do. On top is just like a thin layer of I almost say vinyl, but it's not vinyl. Oh crap, what is it? Veneer. I knew it started with a V. A thin layer of veneer. So some veneer was coming away, I had to glue that down, and some of the veneer was gone completely and it just had chipped away. So I've had to use my putty to repair those. I'm done prepping. Now, let's get to painting. Okay, so I think I've decided on the Dixie Belle Silk Salt Water. Okay, and it's an all-in-one mineral paint. It's got a built-in top coat. It's a warmer white. I haven't decided. So I've decided on the paint. Reason I didn't do this one is because the fixtures, the hardware rather, that I have on this piece are white and I just want to reuse the hardware that I already have. I don't really want to go out and buy some more hardware. No. These are my good pants, believe it or not. They're covered in dust. They're about to be covered in paint. Inevitably, I always sit in paint. Probably should change my pants, but I'm not going to. Okay, here we go. Now flipped it, it's right side up, and now I can see all the bits I missed. I like doing it upside down. As I was saying before I threw you all on the floor, I make sure I get all the parts that I wouldn't be able to see if I was painting it the first time this way. So now I come in and do all the parts that I didn't see. And then my first coat will be done. Normally I like to stain the top, but because of how damaged it is, just there, it will be all water damage. And I don't even want to fuss with that. So painting it is. Got paint in my hair. Okay, so Krylon has an antiquing to give an old world charm. We'll see how this goes. I'm flying by the seat of my pants here. It says apply with a bristle brush, which is what I've got. Come experiment with me. I don't know how this is gonna go. Could fail miserably, but here we go. Okay, let's dab because I'm totally afraid. Oh. Okay. So it's on. A minute or two. I don't know. I'm scared, so I think I might wipe it off. Oh, I see. Okay. What does water do when I add water to it? Oh, that's good. Okay. This is what it looks like before. And then this is what it looks like with the stuff on it. I don't think I like it. Paint over this. I don't mind it in here, like in the corners. Probably they don't like how I've done that. It just looks dirty. That was experiment number 1. Fail. Let's try it again here. This time I have a dabbing cloth. So let's dab. And rub. I think I like this a lot better. Yeah. So I might have to just repaint over that other one and start again. I've seen some people with chalk paint, when they distress, instead of getting the sandpaper out, they get the water out, which is so much less messy, and they rub away. I should do a close-up so you can see. See what I did there? With the, let's do it here on the corner. Rub away at the chalk paint. See? Oh, that's so good. Okay, I like it when a plan comes together. Totally by accident, but still, it's coming together. Oh yeah, you guys. Alright, well, I'm going to carry on with that. I had to shave an inch off of the backing. I have laid my piece down, put a thin bit of glue around the edge. Got it. Want it. Beautiful. So, I've already begun editing this video and I haven't finished it yet, so I need to hurry and finish it. I sprayed the hardware. I'll show you. It's Rust-Oleum spray paint in gunmetal grey. I've painted everything, I've top coated everything, I'm all up to date. I was back and forth about doing was putting fabric in the drawers. So I've decided I will do that. I'm going to do that today with you guys. I have 3 pieces of fabric that are all different that I really like. So this is like a blue background with grey and birds on it. And then because it's got oranges in it, I decided this stripe that has dark blue and orange and green, and then this one which just has the oranges in it and black. So, okay, draw number 2. So I've decided this time, instead of making it hard on myself and having to cut 4 edges, I should have thought of this before, giving myself a couple of mil here and a couple of mil at the front where I can use my little putty thing and sort of push the fabric under the join, and then I only have 2 sides to cut instead of 4. Same as before, fold that down, grab my spray. Spray. Okay. Cuppa. Oh, it's getting colder and colder. I've got the window open. Here we go. Lot of work, but do you know what? I love it. I love the work. I love when things are falling off the back and I've got to put them back up again, or figure it out. I had to figure out how to get this drawer to close properly. I had to figure out how to get the doors to close as well. I love all of that sort of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and the journey with me through this piece. Kept my dresser, but this lovely little piece needs to go. So I'll be selling it or listing it today. Videos, some people have contacted me about doing maybe some more DIY type videos, which I also love to do. I am definitely my father's daughter, and he is a carpenter by trade, so he loves to potter around the house and fix things, and so do I. So I think I'm gonna have some content like that, as well as, of course, my first love, which is making over furniture. So stay tuned for those coming at you sometime in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and share. Thanks, guys. See you soon.